Hey guys, welcome to day 8. And today I'm going to talk about a very good problem that is print all the permutation of the given string. And my string is ABC. So I'm going to use recursion to solve this problem. So let me start. So firstly, I need to create one method, string static void PRM, which requires two arguments. One is string, another one is empty string. So firstly, I need to check whether my string is empty or not. So if my string is empty, then it need to print my empty string with a space. And now I need to create one for loop till the length of the string, and I need to convert my string to character array, which using the index. And now I'm initializing another string, that is per for permutation, uh, and use string dot substring. So basically, what is the use of substring? So basically, substring is used to create the substring of a string. So which requires two different arguments. One is initial value, and one is your end index. Initial index and your end index. So currently, I'm initializing beginning index as a 0, and I will be the ending index. And another substring which requires I plus 1. Okay, and now this is recursion, so I need to call this method. So recursion are the methods, recursion are the functions basically which call itself inside the program. So here I need to write per plus em plus ch, and now I need to write my main method string str equals to abc, and I need to PRM. So basically, this is static method, so I'm able to call it without creating the without initializing the class. So it requires two different things: a string and one is empty string. So my string is str, and this is my empty string. So let me run and check whether my program is working fine or not. Okay, now it's working fine. So I need to print this in one line. Cool. So this is a comma. This is a permutations that I am able to create by using this string. ABC is A C B B A C B C A C A B and C B. This is the possible permutations that I am able to create by using this method. So let me explain you the code. So basically, what I have created one static method in the name of PR, which requires two different arguments. One is a string, and the one is empty string. Firstly, I have used one condition. If a string is empty, means if my given string is empty, then it's going to print the empty string plus space. And now I'm using one for loop, which starts from index 0 and run till the length of the string and increment. And then I'm converting this string into character array based on the index value. Now, this is the way, this is the line through which I'm actually changing the characters, shuffling the characters inside the strings. So str plus substring 0 is the initial index plus comma I. This is the beginning index, and I is the ending index. So I is starting in first phase of this loop. Its initial I is 0, and in the second str of substring I is 0 plus 1. So basically it's going to return me bc, and the second iteration it's become 1 0 1, and initial index is 0 and this is 1, and then it becomes 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, right? It becomes 3, so it become is giving me bc, right? So through this I'm able to shuffling the all the characters of a given string. So I hope you like the video and I'm able to explain you the logic. In case you're not able to understand or you are facing any issue in understanding the any problem, to let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to help you out. And if you like my channel, if you like my teaching style, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Thanks a lot.